Everything we build in this building surrounds the motor. We brake, we clutch, and we sense. In the clutch brake, there are two distinct technologies. One is a friction technology, one's a wrap spring technology. The friction clutch is used in this application versus the other technology we have, which is a wrap spring clutch. This clutch is used in what we call a power liftgate. This is friction technology. It will turn in both directions. Okay, on your power liftgate, you will need to open and close the tailgate in both directions. The wrap spring is only capable of turning in one direction. So for instance, a friction clutch is used a lot of times in copy machines. If your machine is on an automobile and you're lifting a power liftgate and you need to go up and down, we would tell you need a friction clutch. If you're putting potato chips into a bag and you have a packaging application, or you need to put holes in metal and it's repetitive, you need to do it very quickly on engage and disengage, and you need to brake it, we would probably tell you to use a wrap spring.
This is the wrap spring clutch brake cell. The main difference between the wrap spring and the friction product is the torque to size ratio. With the wrap spring, this has a 2-inch diameter hub. And that 2-inch diameter hub, we can then change the cross section of the spring inside to generate higher torque.
A wrap spring clutch, for instance, is used in a lot of agricultural applications. Seeding, for instance, okay, where you have to have a repetitive and an accurate position, and also a long life and a very strong output torque capability.
The clutch can be modified to suit any application. Basically, we have a standard unit. From that footprint, we can make it any shape, size that you really need.
Planetary gearhead is used on the front end of the motor typically. What this part does is it will increase or decrease the torque of an application to help keep your machine smaller.
This is one of our larger size gearheads. It happens to be a right angle gearhead. We make them straight where the shaft would come out here, or we make them right angle.
Thomson Micron manufactures planetary gearheads that are in the 4 Newton meter to over 2,500 Newton meter torque range in sizes of approximately 40 millimeters up to over 220 millimeters.
Could be used to open and close doors on like in a military application. It could be used to rotate like one of those giant satellite dishes you see. That's just a couple applications. Also could be used in the medical field.
The clutch brake world, the gearhead world, there are a lot of standards. But there's also the need for many customers to have a very unique application or a very unique solution to a problem they need to solve. We serve a variety of market segments, anywhere from aerospace and defense to automotive, office automation, medical, material handling, packaging, a variety of different end users. We don't try to ram something down a customer's throat. All right, the key is to do what is best for their application. We tell our customers, we'll help you choose what is best for your application.